It's been a minute since I've been here, probably 2 or 3 weeks to shoot video. I've been here, but just not to shoot video. What we've got going on since I've been here is we now have damp proofing applied to the foundation. So this has been pressure washed, repaired as needed, and then we've got damp proofing put on here. We are waiting to have the damp proofing inspected. Once that gets inspected, we will go ahead and cover this over with dimple membrane to give us a primary line of defense that's even better than this, so that's awesome. Inside, the team are madly getting headers and walls installed inside here. We are starting to think about tearing the roof off, and that's actually going to start happening this week. Let's go take the camera inside and look around. So what we have going on here is the installation of a new beam. So the guys have a chain winch to hoist it up, or chain hoist, I suppose. Over here, we've already got parallam post. We've got, come up here, parallam header up here, so that's going well. Then coming along over here, will the camera make it? You can see that they've got a bearing wall going down the middle of the house. I'm just gonna relocate the camera. In here, like I was saying before, we've got bearing wall going down the middle of the house right now. Got a header going in up here. We've got some more bearing wall to deal with here. And then we also have more wall and header over here. Let's pull the camera down to the end of the house here. Always good to see string lines, make sure things are straight. We have had the window well cut out now so that we are able to put in a nice big window for the bedroom that's gonna go in here. All of the underpinning efforts, and you'll look back on previous videos, saw how we had all sorts of concrete and water and all sorts of things happening down here. That's all done now. We need to get our framing work done. We'll get the plumbers in here shortly thereafter and get all of our groundwork done. Then we'll go ahead and we're gonna apply 3 inches of 2-pound spray foam to the gravel and up the foundation walls. And that'll give us our initial blast of insulation for the ground floor here. And then we will continue to finish off doing all of our interior wall framing and all that sort of stuff once the slab has been poured. Here we are upstairs. We've got some new subfloor installed. This will be part of the new permanent structure that's going over top of the shiplap floor. So that's all being glued and screwed. Keep that down nice and tight, eliminate any squeaks, give us a nice solid floor. Right now, the team is starting to wrap their heads around the process of taking the roof down, and so that'll just get cut up into chunks and removed bit by bit. So that's what's going on right now. I'll grab the camera and just do a walk around the perimeter just so you can see what the outside of the house is looking like this week. And we will check in here again, maybe next week, hopefully next week, but if not, in 3 weeks from today. Thanks so much for watching. Stay awesome.